Good afternoon all of you. This is a video regarding some of the students are facing problem to submitting the online paper. So they are able to open the link but not able to submit the paper. So this type of error they are getting. So in what case they will get that error? There is only one case that the student is not able to log in any Gmail account on the particular web browser. Suppose that is particular one of the link, and I try to open that particular link. So I am able to open the link. By default you will get that sign in, but you just escape that particular part. So you are able to type all the things there. It means you are able to type the name, all the things there, but still at the last, when you come to the last option, I am able to also able to sign in, the able to check off the marks, able to give the answer, but the submit button is not highlighted. There is only the one case when your submit button is not highlighted. You have to go to browser, click on Gmail login. You have to log in with your particular account, type your password, click on next. Now your account has been logged with any Gmail ID. Go to that browser again, refresh the page first. Now the submit icon is highlighted. So whenever you are giving any paper, you have to just scroll it down. First confirm that your Gmail ID should be login, then only you will apply for the paper. If you are getting unhighlighted submit option, in that case you have to move to the new option, new browser, and that is the submit icon is not highlighted. So what you will do, just go through the new browser option or new tab, log in your Gmail account there. After login your Gmail account, come to the browser again and refresh your page. You will able to get the submit option. Similarly, I will show you again. Please be confirmed, you have to log in with your Gmail ID before submitting the paper. So I go to that option. I have already logged in with my one of the Gmail ID. So at the last I am not able to see the highlighted submit because I have logged in with my Gmail ID. So when I refresh the page, I will get the submit option highlighted. So please be confirmed, you have to log in your Gmail ID first, then only click on that particular link for submit the option. If you want to check, you click on that particular link. If go to the last option, if you are getting the blue color dark option for submit, it means your Gmail ID is already logged in the web browser. If you are not getting the highlighted submit option, you have to log in your Gmail ID first. So that is the troubleshooting for the student who still not get the submit option highlighted. So I think this video will help you try to proceed the procedure. Thank you.